eBay. Audi A4 Avant. Search. Oh, look at that. Needs a wee bit of body work, it's not bad. Oh my god. I love it! Buy it! I'm going for that today. So the car's here. I don't remember it looking like this when I went and seen it. But anyway, what I'll do is I'll walk around the car and I'll point out everything that we're going to have to renew. Let's go. The wing, bumper, the door, rear door, knacker, quarter panel, knacker, boot lid, knacker, another quarter, door along here, knacker, another door, and a wing. So we've seen what's wrong with it, pointed everything out. It's now time to start getting everything off it. Let's go, let's get started. I'm on my way to Halfords the new. I need to buy a new torque. It snapped my torque when I was trying to take off the wing. That little thing. Well, obviously not that one because that one's off. But I'm going to Halfords. I'm going to get I need to go and get a new torque, and I can't seem to find my extension for my half drive. So I'm going to buy one of them as well, and I can use the plan is to use my impact gun to zip them off. Sorry, I'm eating my breakfast. So I'm on my way to Halfords to do that right now. Guys, remember this car's 2008. 85%, don't know where I got that number from. So 85% of the bolts that's on this car probably have never been took off it since they've probably never been took off since they get put on. So this is what happens when you work with older cars. But like I say, it's won the battle, has not won the war. We're regrouping, we're bringing in reinforcements, and we'll get back at it. I'll see you soon. That's me, been at Halfords, got the tools that I needed, got my half-inch extension. I bought an impact driver, handy, and I got that wee set. I've already got that set, but the one that I need is missing, so just bought another one. Don't go wrong. So what had happened was they didn't have the T30 that I needed on the socket. So what he done is he went into the toolbox, one of the toolboxes that they had through the back or something, I'm not sure, and took this out and gave me it for free. Ideal. So shout out to Halfords. That's us back at the back cave. There she's there. Oh, she's a wee darling. Right, let's get back on with this. Let's go. Guys, quickly, let's have a look. Have a look at my tools, right? What I'm doing this work with. This proves you don't need big fancy high equipment stuff. Basic tools, you can pretty much do anything. Look at this. Right, here we go. This is the bag of tricks. Look. The main things, got a big hammer and a wee hammer. That's all I need. Got them. Basic tools, guys, basic tools. This is, and I've got this wee toolbox here. Wait to see what we can do with this. Right, let's get back. Look, so what we've done here, other than it, sorry about the camera, right, can you see this cover here? So there's a screw there and a screw up there, right? We need to take that off to access, if we can get it, right, there we go. So that's that out the road, right, and that gives you access to that bolt there and that bolt there. That's holding like this part of the wing on. So we'll take them off. We took, if you can see it, two there, one there and one there, to take that, separate the wing for the bottom there. And under here, I can't really see, sorry guys, can anyway. So there's a screw there and there, but there's also a wee plastic bit that goes on there and there. So you take the plastic bits for the bumper to slide into, right? So you take the two screws for the plastic bit, that'll come off, and then you need to take the plastic bit off because you can't get to this screw. So then you're left with two screws there, and that will separate the wing for there. So the only thing that's holding the wing on now is these two wee bits here. Sorry about the quality, guys. One wing off. So that's the bracket I'm talking about. So this one here, that's broke, but we'll get some WD-40 on that with some vice grips. There's still a wee bit underneath there, see it? That I can get some vice grips onto that, and hopefully I should be able to unscrew that. Look at all these spider's webs. Ugh. Yucky, yucky, yucky. And this just, see that bit there? It just presses in there, and you can pop that out, and that there will just, let's see. I don't. Right, so that, just pulls off of there. That's your indicator. Leave that hanging there, that doesn't matter. This here, right, this is the bracket that I'm talking about. So that's broke there, that's part of the front bumper. That's why the front bumper's knackered. That there, join zone, and then obviously your bumper comes in here, and what happens is when that bit there screws in with the 2 screws, your bumper's left hanging out of here like this a wee bit, right? So that there, knock it in, and that holds your bumper in there. Then obviously you've got your screws coming down to here to hold this bit of the bumper. So we need to get, if you can see, right, so we need to get, there we go, that screw and that screw off, so that we can get to this one and this one, so that we can separate it from the inside. So they 2 there, that'll separate, that's all your things there, and that'll separate from this bracket here. And then your two in there, hold your wing, 2 at the bottom and 1 at the top. When you open the door, you can get to that. See it there? You open the door, there we go there. That's your top screw. That basically will separate your full wing for this part. 1, 2, 3, 4 on there, and you'll be able to just take your wing off. Let's go, mate. Right, so this wing, right, we've got this here. I'm not really too sure what that is, like a breather or something of some sort. So when that's on, we kind of get to this top bolt. So that'll go in there like that, right? And that means we don't have access to this here. So two wee screws there, takes that off, set it down to the side, and then we can get the access to that top one there. So the wings are off, front bumper's off, back bumper's off. Next we need to take the doors off, but we'll get that on the next video. We'll make progress. Thanks everybody if you've got to this point in the video. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.